So here we are with Android, Samsung specifically, and today we're demonstrating how to move and add lock screen widgets. Now there are two reasons for this tutorial. First, you may not like where your widgets are placed because they may be covering up portions of your wallpaper or don't fit your taste. And two, you may not know where to find the settings because honestly speaking, they might not be where you would expect. So let's get into it. So we're going to start by swiping down from the top of the display once, and then we're going to look for our gear icon in the top right hand corner here and tap on that. So this brings up our settings, and we're going to scroll down until we see wallpaper and style right here, and we're going to tap on it. Now the focus of this content is going to be the lock screen, so we're going to look for our lock screen. Mine's on the left side here, and I'm going to tap on it. And then we could tap on the widget that we would like to move. And again, you may not like where it's placed. I left mine intentionally like it is right now, where you can see it's kind of in the center here, and it's covering up this image here of this Arasaka wallpaper. I'm a Cyberpunk fan if you've been following the channel, and I don't like it there. It just doesn't flow nicely. I want it kind of in the top left-hand corner there. So we're going to tap on the widget, which includes all these items. And then that's going to pull up a list of options right underneath. Now, as you can see, we're going to have some color options here as well. It's a pretty long list, and it looks like you can even create a custom color. Let's go ahead and give that a try here. So I'm going to do like a deep dark red, and we're going to tap done. And that looks really good. But again, it actually makes my lock screen look worse. As you can tell by the preview here, I want it off to the side. And you're going to have many options here. Just to give you an idea, we'll scroll through some of them. And this list isn't all that long, but that's what we have to work with. Again, I want this widget to the top left, and I have the option that I like right here. We're going to tap on it. And then we are going to get the preview there. We could take a look. That looks good. And then we want to tap done to save the configuration. And as we can tell by the preview there, looking really nice. I'm liking it. So let's talk how to add a widget. So once again, we're going to tap on the lock screen. And then we're going to have this box here. It's kind of a long box right there. And we're going to tap on it. And we'll have a list of options. Now this isn't a really long list, as you can tell. It's limited to what you see here. And I already have an option added here, battery. But just to give you an idea, I can extend the list here for the battery, and I can add another battery widget if I would like, or I can clear all of those. Now I do want the battery widget in there, and this one's nice because it has multiple devices shown. I really like that. But let's say I want to add the calendar. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it here, but I'm going to add it in, see what we get. So we have the calendar event added there. Now it's looking a bit cluttered here, so I'm going to remove it, but there is an option there if you would like. Let's see what we got here for clock. We only have two options there. Reminders, we've got some options there. Samsung Health, that might be useful. Daily activity, let's see what we get if we put that on there. Nothing really interesting there. What about daily activity chart? Let's see. So we have to tap to show our activity. I'm probably going to play with that in my own time there, but that is available if you would like it. And then we have weather. Let's see what happens if we add the weather there. Again, I don't want this to cover up the wallpaper too much here. So we're going to see what we have to work with. And when the widget area is full, you get a notification there, so we have to remove one. And then we can add one in there. Again, it's looking a little bit cluttered there. Not really a big fan. Maybe I can add the smaller one here. And again, it's looking a bit cluttered. But that's what you can work with if you want it to. And that's what we're going to end up having. So I hope that you found this content useful. Let me know in the comments down below. But as always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.